Wave soldering is a quick and efficient way to solder components to a printed circuit board. Molten solder is pumped up through a nozzle, creating a wave of solder that boards pass over. When Z-Axis recently retired its 21-year-old wave solder machine, we installed a new unit that's about 40% faster. This made-in-USA equipment wets a wider area and includes topside heat for higher quality boards. We also make sure to measure the thermal profile with our new machine to ensure that boards are heated at the proper rate. We then create a recipe for each board to ensure high-quality soldering. The process begins when boards are loaded in and held in place by titanium fingers. Since titanium is inert, it won't contaminate the solder. Next, the boards are sprayed with Flux. This cleans away any contaminants and promotes wetting. Our new machine lets us select the type of flux and determine how much to use and exactly where to apply it. As we've covered in previous videos, Z-Axis uses two types of flux, no-clean and aqueous. No-clean flux leaves a little inert residue on the board and doesn't require cleaning. Aqueous flux requires cleaning but is often used for high reliability applications or when the board will be coated. After flux is applied, boards move through the 3 stages of preheating. This activates the flux and heats the board both top and bottom. Solder can then fill the board's drilled holes, or what we call barrels, completely. Wave soldering is ideal for boards that have all through-hole components on one side, and also for mixed technology boards that have all their components on the top. The technology has improved over the years, and our new machine promotes greater efficiency by letting us run more meters per minute without any gaps between adjacent boards. Our old wave soldering machine served us well, and it handled over 3 million boards, but the addition of this new equipment underscores Z-Axis's commitment to quality and investment in the future.